Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to calculate the effective interest rate for the investments which allow you to pay in a set amount at the beginning, the present value of the investment, and then promises you a number of payments for a set number of periods. The type of investment that I have described here has a present value of $50,000. So that's what you pay in, and in return you will receive 50 payments on a monthly basis. That is 12 per year of $1,500. Furthermore, the future value is zero, which means that there will be no money left in the investment at the end. So the question is, what is the interest rate for this investment? Well, you can use the rate function to calculate the value. I have the arguments here that I need, and those are the number of periods, payments per period, present value, future value, and type and guess, which I'll describe in a moment. So I'll start by going to cell C11, typing an equal sign, and then type rate, left parenthesis. Now I can enter in the arguments and get the interest rate for the specific investment. We start with the number of periods, and that's in cell C3, 50. So I'll be receiving 50 payments of the same amount and equally spaced, then a comma. The payment that's in cell C5, that's 1500 per period, then a comma. Next is the present value, and that is the amount that I need to invest. In this case, that value is in cell C5, in cell C6, and we can see that it's a minus $50,000. It's negative because that amount of money that's going out of my account. Those are the only three arguments that are required. However, you can also optionally add the future value, the type, and the guess as to what you think the interest rate might be. So I'll type a comma after C6. We have a future value of 0, and there won't be any money to be returned to me at the end of the investment. So I'll click cell C7, which has 0 in it, and then a comma, and then next is the type, and that's when the interest is paid. Payments are almost always timed for the end of the period, and that's what I have here in cell C8, a 0, and then a comma. Then finally we have the guess. I always start at 10%, but frankly Excel is powerful enough that you don't really need to use a guess, but if you do, I have included here so you know what it looks like. So I'll go ahead and click cell C9 and type in the right parenthesis, but I will not hit the enter yet because I need to multiply this value by 12, the number of periods per year. What rate does is calculate the rate per period, and you can see here we have 50 periods, but we have 12 periods per year. I want to find the annual rate, not the rate per period. So I need to multiply this number of periods per year. And so I'll type in an asterisk and then click in cell C4, which is the number of periods per year, and then I'll press enter. And I get the rate of 20.68%, which is the annual percentage rate for this investment. Thank you.